Thinking about buying from Icyusanert luxury store? Hold up, let's break down if it's safe, or if you're about to get scammed. So, as of January 2026, here's what's raising eyebrows about Icyusanert. First, the prices. I'm talking unbelievably cheap for luxury goods, like deals that seem way too good to be true. 9 times out of 10, that's a classic move from scammers trying to grab your info or card details. Next, try finding out who actually owns this site. No real About Us page, no company background, and sometimes you'll spot copy-pasted text from other retailers. If a store won't tell you who's behind it, or just repeats generic stuff, you should definitely be cautious. Third, reviews. Or, in this case, the lack of them. Trusted luxury stores have footprints all over the internet. Trustpilot, Reddit, you name it. But with Icyusanert, there's basically nothing. No real customer voices, no independent feedback. That's a huge red flag. Now, let's talk payments. If you get redirected to weird checkout pages, or you never get an order confirmation or tracking info after paying, you could be facing a scam. Here's how you can check things yourself before buying. Look up the domain age on Whois. If it's under 6 months old, that's suspicious. Run the site through Google Transparency Report for malware. Check the trust score on Scam Advisor and test their contact info. If you call and no one answers, or you only get a robot, steer clear. Bottom line. If you don't see positive, legit reviews from the last 6 months, it's smarter to shop somewhere established, like Sensor, or directly from official brand boutiques. Don't risk your money, and definitely don't risk your personal info. Stay safe out there, and happy